Hey friends, greetings from Test and You. Today I've got something pretty exciting for all the Steam Deck enthusiasts out there. If you are a Steam Deck fan or you have been eyeing on, you are in for a treat today because I've got something that's going to a complete level up your gaming experience. I'm talking about the NewQ portable Steam Deck docking stations, and trust me, this thing is a game changer. So first of all, huge thanks to NewQ. They sent me their latest portable Steam Deck docking station. This portable docking station designed to take your Steam Deck experience to the next level. Whether you are looking for a seamless way to connect your Steam Deck to a bigger screen or need extra port for other accessories, this dock promises to cover all your needs. So stick around because I am diving into all the details today. So if you are ready to take your Steam Deck setup to the next level, hit the like button and let's dive into it. Now let's unbox this Steam Deck. Inside the box we have a user manual as always. So it says clearly and perfectly how you have to set up this Steam Dock. Yeah, and look how stable and how nice it is. Yeah, so it's pretty slim. This docking station is very powerful. The NewQ portable Steam Deck dock itself, and it feels pretty solid. Yeah, it's made of high quality materials and design look really clean. Yeah, so you can see also surprisingly compact docking station. Yeah, you have got essential ports here. Yeah, and I'm already liking how portable it feels. Yeah, it's very lightweight. Yeah, and the cables are like it's very pretty strong, which can transfer like 4K quality videos. So let's talk about the product features. So here where the things are very interesting, the NewQ portable Steam Deck docking offers a lot of features that could make it a real game changer for the Steam Dock users. You know, first of all, you got the USB-C for the charging, you know, as well as the HDMI port, and there have USB 3, and this HDMI is really powerful. It can transfer like 4K 60 Hz HDMI supported dock station. Yeah, so it's like pretty awesome and crystal clear gaming experience. Yeah, and behind there you can see there have a stand, kickstand, so you can keep this thing here. So yeah, and you can enjoy the game. And the other thing also, NewQ sent the power bank. Yeah, power bank for this docking station, and I mean it's like a compact packet. Yeah, so if you have one power bank and one docking station, you don't need to think much. Yeah, you just plug and play. So let me open the power bank as well. See how they packing this power bank. Yeah, how it came. It's pretty awesome. Yeah, and let's check up with the battery. So here you can see this battery is 20,000 mAh, means it's a powerhouse. Literally, it's a powerhouse. Even you don't need to think about the charge of your Steam Deck. Yeah, so if you just place it here, see, yeah, place it here and press the button here. Here there have LED light which says that the battery level. Yeah, and this one you're gonna connect like this. Yes, and there have a also you can see here they have another kickstand, right? So like this. And this power bank also has like first charging port, USB-C and USB 3.0, and this power bank is really extraordinary power bank, right? So if you buy this one and if you take the experience, I mean, you will like it. Yeah, this power bank and this Steam Deck is really extraordinary. I really recommended to buy this, especially this docking station with this their power bank Steam Deck. Yeah, so let's talk about portability and design. On things I really love this dock is portability. I can easily slip it into my bag along with my Steam Deck, and it doesn't take up much space. It's perfect for those who game on the go and still want more comfortable setup when they are back at home or at a friend's place. Yeah, the compact design, it won't be a hassle to carry around, and it's also built to last. It's not a cheap plastic there, you know, it's really high quality material. It's small enough that you can even use it for with the other device. Yeah, supported USB-C, making it more versatile. Even you can use this power bank as for your camera or your mobile phone charging. Yeah, so my final thought of this product is overall I am really impressed with this NewQ portable Steam Deck docking station. Yeah, it's sleek, well built accessories that really exchange the Steam Deck experience, whether you are gaming at home or on the go. If you are looking to get more out of your Steam Deck, this dock is definitely worthy considering. If you are interested in checking it out for yourself, I will leave link and a special coupon code in the description below, so you can grab on for yourself and save some cash while you are at it. And as always, if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and make the comments and what you like about this docking station, yeah, after buying it, and enjoy your gaming experience. I wish you all the best, and thanks for watching, and see you with the next video. Till then, bye bye.